All right, so I'm going to talk a little bit about insurance claims and when they get denied. This one was denied that I'm on right now, September of last year. And since then, every week we've done our due diligence and followed up on this claim. And then finally, insurance company was forced to send somebody to show that the roof is repairable with all this wind damage. And the contractor they sent out kind of laughed and scoffed at it, saying, there's no way, like, who told you this is fixable? But for months, we were being told by an insurance adjuster who's never done a roof in his life that, based in his professional opinion, how many years he's been doing this as an adjuster, the roof is repairable. But let me show you real quick. We're having another issue with the insurance company. I can put my hands through this. Manufacturer spec says anything over 1/8 of an inch requires solid decking on it. It needs the gaps can't be there. You have to have a solid and nailable surface. When I'm installing the shingles from here and then here, and let's say the nailing line is right here, when I put that nail in, it's going to hit that hole, right? And it's going to just push a hole into the shingle, and it's not going to secure the shingle the way it's intended to be. So then I have to either go up or down, again, without seeing where the hole is, to go up or down, above or below it, and I'm either high nailing it or low nailing it, and both are improper methods of install. So throughout the whole entire roof, we have this space that's anywhere between 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. I can fit my thumb through some of them. And again, we're gonna have to go through the process, but we were told over and over by a supervisor from this insurance company that he's been doing this for longer than I have, which is 11 years, and he knows better than I do, and that there's no coverage owed for this. And when he says coverage owed, it's based on like certain things, like he says rot and deterioration is the reason he's denying it. And that shrink there, I'd love to see how 10 or 12 inch boards shrink 1/2 inch. They're consistently the same width all the way across. The space decking is there, and the reason why he's saying that, he's suggesting that the only time that they would owe for this is if there was cedar shakes on here before. But that's not how policy works. So comment below if you ever had denials like this, how you guys overcame them, or did you overcome them, or did you feel you got a fair shake? And let me know if there's something I can help you on with your claim. Robert CPL here, signing out.